It's a big day today, NFP, non-farm payrolls day today. I'm running a special offer, I just want you to be aware of it. And if you go to my site, ArcisTrading.com, you'll get a 30% discount offer popping up on your screen. Just put in your email address there and you can get 30% off anything, including my private trading group. Now, NFP, non-farm payrolls, is the biggest job number. It's the first Friday of every month, and it normally has a massive effect on the markets. The non-farm payrolls number is expected to be lower. The 170 region is not great, and particularly if we see a drop below the previous month, which was quite good, it'll be quite significant. What I do think, though, is that if we do see a weaker jobs number, it's not necessarily bad for the markets. What it will do is it'll put pressure on the interest rates and calls to reduce interest rates if the jobs numbers are coming off. A reduction in interest rates means probably more liquidity into the market and a rally. But if the jobs number comes out unexpectedly high, we could see a sell-off in the market. So here's the tip. This is Friday the 6th of September when the jobs report came out. You can see that's the right time. It's 8:30 a.m. in Eastern Time, New York. And this is typically what you see happen. You can see the first move of the market. This is a 15-minute chart. Let me zoom in for you very quickly. The first move of the market, in fact, several, it's very difficult to have a look at this unless we go to the 5-minute chart. So you can see there's a massive spike up, a massive spike down, return to back where we started actually, and then a massive stair step down, a bit more thrashing around. All of that takes about half an hour to an hour. The best tip about NFP is to wait for that first hour to pass before you take any trades. Unless you're a very, very short-term trader trading these whipsaws, trading off 1-minute charts or something like that. Remember, the NFP report comes out at the bottom of the hour. That's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So the first point we've got to get to is the top of the hour. That's when most important trades, most important directions and decisions are made at the top of every hour. After the market settles down, it begins to move in the actual direction that the market wanted to move in. And very often we just view this as noise and basically completely ignore it. The market will settle down one way or the other, in this case downwards. Right, let's go back to the day chart. You can see today we've had almost no movement on the euro. So just waiting for the NFP. Often the market will be very, very quiet beforehand. So rule of thumb, wait for the first half an hour to approach. If it's still pretty unclear and very choppy, wait for the next half an hour. In other words, 1 hour since the result. And then you'll be able to get into a much better and safer trade position. Click the link at the bottom of this video to learn more and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.